Yo halo semua, bersama gua Endo di sini di channel Run One guys. Nah, pada kesempatan kali ini gua pengen first impression terhadap sebuah game yang baru banget keluar, yaitu Arknight Anfield ya. Nah, ini game gacha terbaru sebenarnya. Gua nggak tahu gameplaynya gimana. Yang pasti yang gue tahu tuh dia iklannya tuh bener-bener rame banget, di mana-mana ada, di Instagram ada, bahkan dia bikin cafe khusus Arknight Anfield ya. Lalu gue bakal first impression di sini dari gamenya. Gue bener-bener belum pernah mainin, dan sebenarnya kalau ngomongin tentang game gacha ya, sebenarnya bukan gue yang bakal review game ini, tapi gue bakal nunjukin first impression aja terhadap sebuah game ini gitu, Arknight Anfield ya. Kita langsung saja ke game ya guys. Nah ini tadi gue habis setting-setting ya, karena di OBS tuh nggak bisa capture game capture gitu. Gue udah setting-setting dan hasilnya ya udah gue nggak harus pakai display capture. Dan gue bingung banget, device slot di sini benar-benar very high. Apakah bener emang yang dikasih tahu tuh emang spesifikasinya tuh benar-benar besar banget ya? Tadi di sini gue bisa aja dapat very high, tapi hardware overload. Jadi gue main di high aja. Oke, kita langsung mulai. Ini benar-benar gue baru mulai. Oke, suara aman ya guys ya? Gue cek dulu. Oke, let's go. Yang mau add gua, UID-nya di kiri bawah ya. Kalian bisa add aja kalau mau. Hyper grip. Bisa. Kacamata gue bur lagi. Ini pasti ada cutscene. Ya gua nggak tahu first impression ini bakalan selama apa ya. Tapi dari cutscene aja kita udah tahu kalau grafiknya tuh emang bagus banget. Dia hampir menyentuh 3D sebenarnya. Tapi kalau oh lah. Dan untuk untuk kostumnya itu tuh bener-bener cyberpunk banget, kayak cybertech gitu lah dia kostumnya tuh. Dan kayaknya kalian bisa ganti dubbing ya ke bahasa Jepang, tapi ini gue belum sempat ganti, jadi masih pakai bahasa Inggris.
Originium.
A blessing, solely yours, but stolen and tainted. Your fate isn't confined to one path. This time, leave no regrets. Travel forth, Administrator.
Kayak kita udah mulai gerakin.
Originium is the pillar of
Anjir,
life.
ini gue udah FPS coy.
This expedition must not fail.
Gue dapat 80 FPS tapi kayak patah-patah ya. Kalau gue nyalain ini, gue nyalain dari Nvidia overlay, gue mau lihat dapat berapa FPS, tapi ternyata gue dapat 80 ya. Dan itu lumayan, tapi gamenya agak patah-patah sih. Ini entah karena gue sambil record atau apa. Kita hilangin lagi. Oke.
This will be a difficult campaign. Zip across when you're ready.
Munculin apa nih? Oh, zipline. Move towards target. Zipline-nya tuh nggak ada tali ya. Untouched. Oke. Di sini kita langsung disuguhi dengan combatnya.
The enemy is here.
Dodge. Oke, ada perfect dodge-nya. Kita bakal coba.
Angloid. The most alien life form
Belum.
that never dies. For over 100 years.
Tapi ada indikatornya kalau mau nyerang.
And devastation.
Oke, itu dia perfect dodge-nya. Gua belum bisa nilai dari combat-nya kayak gimana. Wah, kita bisa. Oh, kita harus track dulu ya kemana zipline-nya. Berarti di sini kita satu zipline bisa dua arah berarti. Harusnya kalau kita disuguhi dengan pilihan bisa gerakin mouse. Oke, kita coba basic skillnya.
The Angloid grow in number. Press on. This challenge cannot stop us.
Casting battle skill consume one bar of skill point SP. Natural grade over. Oke. Berarti ada ini kita skill point ya, bukan mana. Ultimate. Long press.
Shows over. No second chance.
Berarti di sini nggak ada cooldown ya?
Take him out. Engage.
Iya nggak ada cooldown ya guys. Jadi tergantung skill point kalian cukup atau enggak.
These flowers are.
A legacy. A tomb. A lonely soul. Never meant to bear such burdens. In the end, you chose not to let go.
Untuk grafik sih lumayan bagus ya. Lumayan memanjakan mata lah. Ya, harusnya kita ini boss battle.
We can no longer retreat. Let's strike through it. Use your true weapon.
Oke.
Forge a path for the living.
What's this?
Mungkin kedepannya kita bisa ini kita spawn turret ya. Ya karena emang base game-nya dari Arknight sih.
Life always fights back. It is our nature and our fate. Rise from ruin and be reborn in the ashes. The end draws closer. Cross this chasm to face your final trial.
Stamina juga nggak terlalu, nggak tahu sih kalau stamina kayak sama aja kayak game-game yang lainnya. Karena emang sebenarnya gue
Decided to help me.
nggak terlalu suka atau terlalu ngikutin game gacha. Gue game gacha tuh cuma nyoba doang. Oh kayak gini, oke, ya udah. Yang gue tertarik doang game gacha cuma si Ananta doang sih.
Try not to move. You might have a fracture.
You're the administrator.
Still breathing.
You can save her.
Ini salah satu yang grafiknya lumayan bagus sih. Ini gua nggak salah lari apa? Jalan.
Feeling cold? Here, come closer. Name. How about Perlica?
The Cosmos Health. Nggak, tadi ada view nih di sini. Tadi ada talk, tulisan talk, tab, pencet tab. Ini apa nih?
You traveled beyond the stars, through death as chill.
Kita belum tahu ya siapa yang
Yet your
hantu
heart
ini.
kept hope alive. For our sake, and for the days to come, you sacrificed yourself.
Dan katanya
Truth be told,
salah satu keunggulan dari game ini tuh kalian bisa pakai semua party kalian ya. Party kalian juga ikut berantem gitu. Jadi nggak kayak game-game lainnya yang kalian ganti-gantian menggunakan karakternya. Grafik sih oke sih. Ini apakah bos pertama kita ini? Bos tutorial. Bosnya gede banget, cok. Gua nggak heran sih, spesifikasi buat main game ini sangat amat gede ya. Nanti gua bakalan kasih di awal-awal untuk spesifikasi main game ini. Nah ini dia yang gue maksud, partinya. Dia ikutan berantem.
careful, don't get hit. Now, Ricketts on.
Kita juga bisa pakai skillnya mereka. Oh kombonya gitu ya. Pencet E. Jadi kita ngendalin satu orang. Alah. Oh ini ada cooldown ini. Tadi kayak di tangannya ada kelemahannya ya. Nggak berkurang cok darahnya. Alah. Ayo ulti. Nah. Wah. Jadi mainnya keroyokan ya. Biasanya kita yang dikeroyok, sekarang gantian kita yang ngeroyok. Anjing. Ayo ulti. Kayak tangannya hancur satu ya. Wah, mereka pinter banget lari ya ke situ. Kita ikutin aja mereka nih. Awas teman-temanku. Jadi kalau combat kita buat ngehindarnya kayaknya bisa dah ngikutin mereka. Oh, udah hancur. Pakai tangan deh sekarang ya.
Powers of Only Red Prince.
Ayo serang.
No second chance.
Baru pengen pencet combo ini. Cak.
You must stop that countdown. Death is nearing the shore.
Serang pedang. Cak. Mana lagi pedang?
Do not forget our promise. I'll be waiting in the north.
Janji apa yang dijanjikan kepada si MC? Untuk overall kasirnya lumayan oke, combatnya fresh banget ya. Nanti gue bakal kasih konklusi gue di akhir. Udah 17 menit guys. Masih panjang ya perjalanan. Gue nggak tahu pakai controller enak apa enggak, tapi overall gue main game kayak gini biasa pakai MNK ya atau mouse and keyboard. Jarang banget gue pakai stick. Oke sih, lumayan oke lah. Oke banget menurut gue.
Do not forget your mission. Do not forget who you are.
I remember.
Dia lupa ingatan.
Who are you?
The Administrator.
And you are.
I am.
Oke, kita name cannot exceed 7 Asian and or 15 upper mountain in length. Ya, itu nama game gue ya. Rockfi. Harusnya kita dikasih starting party deh secara gratis ya.
Administrator. Endman.
It's alright. The Endman's just a little weak.
Oh, nama kita Admin, Administrator. Jatuhnya jauh ya. Yes, Van Swiss berpembaca. Di setiap bajunya tuh ada tulisan Enfield ya. Ini apakah salah satu teknik marketing yang mereka kembangkan di dalam gamenya?
You're awake, and
Gua pikir Fury dong, karena ada telinganya ternyata model rambut.
it's all right. We're at a safe place.
Gua kira otomatis cutscene gitu.
Where am I?
This is the OMV Dijong, the base of Enfield Industries, and our home.
Ini kalian bisa skip ya kalau kalian mau skip.
Dijong. Enfield Industries?
Take a deep breath. We can work through this at your pace. This mask is a suppressor for stabilizing your vitals. You've slept for 10 years and your conditions aren't exactly
Tidur
stable
10
yet.
tahun.
I can hardly recall anything.
Lamanya guys, tidur 10 tahun guys. Ini mic
Who are
gua input kan. Dari tadi gua ngomong gak input sih, bete gua.
My name is Perlica.
Perlika.
I'm the supervisor of Enfield Industries. While you get reacquainted
Supervisor
with
ya?
this, I will
Edan.
also be in charge of your well-being. You might not remember this either, but you've always been a leader of Enfield Industries. You are the paragon and most important companion of every Enfielder.
Apologies. My mind's completely blank.
But for someone like you, this fresh new beginning might just
Untuk
work out.
perbedaan cutscene sama cutscene yang tadi kita harus klik
Administrator.
manual ya, nggak ada bedanya sih. Bagus sih gamenya. Ya kita nggak tahu nanti cutscene yang lain gimana, makanya kita lanjut lagi ke game ya. Ada Fury guys. Oh di sini Fury masih punya telinga ya. Apakah
Your
Fairly
physical
kata di Fury?
examinations are complete. We can now take you on a tour. This is our HQ. She is the pinnacle of human science and technology. Originium-powered multi-surface vessel, Dijong. There was a time when we were close to losing Dijong.
Gua nggak mau ke sana bisa nggak? Gua mau lihat-lihat dulu.
Dijong survived the day. Ever since then, we've kept her at low orbit and minimum power. We're now repairing Dijong using ground-supplied materials.
Untuk
The
asetnya
ship is
sih
also
bagus
where
ya.
we develop new technologies.
Gua nggak tahu ini udah support ray tracing atau belum. Dia refleks supaya nggak delay. Nih kalian bisa ganti bahasa di sini. Ada 4 pilihan: Chinese, Japan, Jepang sama Korea ya. Tapi kayak gue bakal stick di Inggris dulu karena DO udah pakai Inggris. Yang gue lihat di sini sih belum ada pilihan buat pakai ray tracing ya.
Sorry. I remember nothing at all.
Don't blame yourself, Administrator. Follow me.
Kita harus ngikutin dia, kita nggak bisa lari ya. Ini bener-bener gamenya kayaknya story-nya oke sih. Kita bisa ngintip mata ya. OMV di Jiang. Ini kayak kapal yang gede banget. Depan tuh ada sebuah planet, nggak tahu planet apaan ya.
Functions look okay to
A majestic world, isn't it?
I saw it in my
Ntar nih
memories.
kamera gua agak nge-lag guys.
Telos 2. Our home.
Ini tengah nge-lag ya. Review gua agak nge-lag. Soalnya gua pakai dua
Everyone
monitor.
calls Talos 2
Nah,
a
sebelah.
planet. Much
Udah
about
nge-lag ya.
Talos 2 remains, but since you're here, I believe that
Nggak
Mansfield is
sengaja kepencet
capable
ya.
of overcoming these challenges. You once carried this piece of Originium with you everywhere. Every Specialist Tech Division operator carries a piece of proto-rig. The mineral helps teleprotocol triangulation. This is your very own proto-rig, and it carries secrets.
It's
Ini kalau di spam sih agak
Responding to
aneh
my
jadi
call.
cutscene ya.
it seems to know me really well.
Everything we need for our survival would be impossible without Originium. The mineral powers our machines, and is the basis of the arts we wield. When we first arrived at Talos 2,
Di lingkungan ini ada crafting-craftingnya.
the spark from our distant origins was meant to create a new place to call home. But war destroyed our first landing. Though we achieved victory, we paid a bloody toll that left us battered and ruined. To revive our civilization, you led Endfield and developed the proto-rig technology, as well as its ultimate evolution, the Protocol Automation Core.
The fruits of our labor.
Yes. Our plan is to deploy automation cores.
Nah,
throughout the
maksud gua
civilization.
automation anjir.
This will boost
Ini kayaknya
our
ada
capacity.
sedikit gameplay automation ya.
Special mission.
Reboot of life. Someone very important commissioned us with the Zeroth Directive. Your awakening, as well as the mission and plan I mentioned, are a part of it.
Dia ngambil apa tidak muncul gini.
So, who commissioned it?
You did.
Wah, plot twist. Welcome to Ark Knights Anfield ya guys ya. Bagi kalian yang mau mainin, kalian bisa download ini available di every platform, PS, Apple, Android, mobile device,
Yes.
semuanya
the
ada.
admin is with me.
Jadi kalau kalian mau download, silahkan download. Untuk Windows, kalian bisa download langsung di websitenya guys. Untuk size gamenya tadi di sekitar 70-an giga ya.
Just moments ago, simultaneous self-destruction occurred to the orbital landing relay drone squadrons. The communication blackout is expanding towards Valley 4, and the status of facilities along the route is now unverifiable.
Oke.
At the same time, we are picking up extremely intense angeloid energy signals in the affected area. We are hailing the hub base on every channel. So far, they haven't responded. The whole place is offline. The plan was to bring the Enman to the base in 10 days. But the hub...
We can't wait that long. Fiona, prep for my drop at once.
Wait, now? Okay, I'll run the checks. There's surface interference. Current situation is too risky. Unguided emergency drops might deviate. We'll drop you to the area near the base, out of concern for safety.
Director Chen and Andre are at the hub base. In accordance with the contingency plan, they will take control of the scene as critical events happen. Fiona, keep hailing the hub base, regardless of whether we've received any response from them. Inform them that I'm coming soon. Also, tell Operator Chen to rendezvous with me there.
Roger, we're prepping your drop.
Oke.
Initiating alignment. Target, Valley 4. All systems green for landing.
Fire away.
Tadi gue baru nyadar ya.
Talos 2.
Tadi kayak kamera harus gue pindahin ke atas. Karena tadi skillnya tuh ada di kanan bawah gitu. Jadi kalian nggak bisa lihat ya. Nanti kalau ada battle lagi gue kasih lihat lagi. Harusnya abis ini battle lagi.
Need a progress update, Fiona.
Naik motor.
Still trying to reestablish...
Kenapa lu dibonceng ya? MC, lu malu-maluin banget aja.
Coming in fast. Watch out!
Anchors? Hold on tight, Ensign.
Kenapa si Enpin ini dibonceng? Tadi gasnya pakai tangan kiri tuh. Agak lain ya. Untuk efek apinya kurang nyatu ya. Nah, dia kita bakal combat lagi.
Stay close to me, Administrator.
Close to you? No, we fight. Perlika will join the battle when he controlled operator. When the battle titik when the control operator start fight. Okay. Nih, ada skillnya di bawah yang tadi ketutupan guys. Nah, ada lagi.
Administrator, you alright? Are you hurt?
Posesif banget, gue gak kenapa-napa bro. Oke, di sini MC kita tidak bisa ngomong, tapi kayak tadi dia ngomong. Kenapa dia cuma geleng-geleng? Kenapa dia nggak ngomong aja sekalian?
The situation in the field is far more severe than our previous estimates. I actually hoped for a gentler reception than this.
Asetnya langsung beda gitu ya. Tadi kayak dikasih lumayan oke.
We need to hurry.
Berarti cutscene dan gameplay dia untuk membuat asetnya beda
This
guys.
Anglos looks dangerous. We need to be cautious. We can focus our attacks to bring down its defenses.
Kita harus bikin dia kelingan ya. Nah. When a stagger meter is full, the enemy becomes staggered. Iya, gue tahu. Target enemies cannot move and take more damage. Berarti kita nggak bisa.
Oh. Use the same tactics to take down the remaining enemies.
Langsung finisher ya. Kalau ke stun musuhnya. Berarti mau se-folder apa kalau dia ke stun, kita langsung finisher.
This rope looks sturdy. Some of the survivors probably left it here. This should be the way. Let's continue, Endman. That is an anchor. Anchors are capable of spawning Angeloi. They pose a major threat to Talos too. We must find the survivors. And quickly.
Kayaknya nggak tahu ya. Kayaknya ini game bukan open world deh. Nggak tahu ya, gue nggak tahu.
To break through here ASAP.
Soalnya kalau open world harusnya di SDN ya.
Combat tech.
Combo skill. Ini yang tadi ya.
Tactics, Endman.
What? Relica!
Seize the chance to press the attack. Our strikes are more effective when we coordinate. Let's take down these enemies together.
Get crushed!
Terminate!
Relica!
Forward!
Face your end!
And run guys, agrit.
The damages are so severe. Director Chin has always kept the hub base in good order. But if she lost control of the area, things inside the base could get bad. I hope for the safety of our people.
Oh, V itu track.
Look there, Endman. We must act now.
Wah, ada yang
Like this nonsense!
muter-muter gitu tadi.
Incoming! Get to cover! Need to fall back and regroup!
Lead them to us. Careful.
Oke, bisa lock target.
Take this! Face your end! Engage!
Strike command.
Your end awaits.
Nah, ini tadi nih, General Ching. Dia hiu kayak.
Supervisor Perlica, you arrived at just the right time. Our temporary defenses have been breached. If you weren't here...
And I'm glad that you're all right, Director Chin. I believe you have a sit rep for me.
Yes. An anchor fell right into the base. The thing won't stop spawning the Angeloi. We've sent all our injured personnel to the control tower. There are just too many Angeloi, and they will overrun our security
Kenapa sih nggak punya
division.
buntut?
We must find a way to
Perlika
stop
nggak
the
punya
anchor.
buntut.
Supervisor Perlica, may I ask who this...
Ah, of course. This is our administrator.
Administrator? Are we talking about the Administrator?
Ekspresi oke deh. I wonder how do people talk about me? Just curious. Dan
Apologies. Many operators in Valley 4 have never seen you before, Endman. News of your awakening gave rise to plenty of gossip and rumors. When we received the message from Dijon, the entire crew tried to plan a welcoming ceremony. But just a few days later, we were suddenly attacked. I didn't expect you to arrive here in the midst of the battle.
We're here to help, Director Chin. Do we have any news about the missing personnel? How many of our people are outside the base?
It's hard to say. The Angeloi just kept attacking. Security Division can only maintain a limited security perimeter.
People here are in danger. I suggest we delay our earlier arrangements, Administrator. Good, Administrator. I knew you would say that. Director Chin, we'll handle the hostiles in the base and direct any of your missing staff to the control tower.
Biasanya kalau rata-rata ya di semua
Wonderful.
game
Your help will set my mind at ease.
gacha sih
Good luck out
pilihannya sama aja.
By the way, I'm not seeing Mr. Andre anywhere. Where is he right now?
Ugh, that silly old man. He went off trying to be a hero again. That fool never stops treating his projects with far more respect than his own feathery hide. Anyway, if you see that old fool, tie him up and haul him back to the control tower. This might be the
Disuruh
only safe place
balik.
left in the base.
We'll find him. Have faith in us. The anchor at the old factory is still spawning Angloy. We must first eliminate this threat. Time to initiate our mission, Endman.
Langsung men.
The stabilizing core of the anchor is its weakness. Take that out, and the entire construct will disintegrate. The core itself is
Karakter
fragile,
desainnya lumayan
but
oke
the
sih
real challenge is the
rata-rata.
Angloy swarming around it. A tough fight is inevitable. A cluster of smaller Angloy. We must stop them.
Face your ass! Engage! Stay strong, people! We're winning!
Tenang guys, kita datang.
2 more! Stay in the fight!
Itu bisa.
Are you all right?
Supervisor Perlica. Thank goodness you're finally here. We assembled here after the anchor fall and managed to hold on to this place. Okay, I guess we
Gue
held on
malasnya
to this
main
place until
game
5 minutes ago.
kayak gini sebenarnya abis berantem cutscene ya.
I understand, but I must tend to the wounded. Wait, you're injured as well. This is where we grow buckflowers. Buckflower powder is a common pharmaceutical ingredient and it's easy to make. Take some. They'll come in useful.
Ya dikasih, kita diajarin cara nge-heal ya. Oke, di sini kalau kalian bisa lihat, kita disuruh bisa lihat backpack dan kita bisa crafting ya. Jadi heal-healan.
This will give me a peace of mind. I'll stay here and
Ya,
care for
gue
the
balikin
injured for
lagi
now,
kameranya.
and then join up with Director Ching when we could start moving again. I look forward to your good news.
Ambil dulu ya item gratis.
They're facing more England. They must be neutralized so we can push through.
Face your ass! Take him out! Face your ass! Take this!
Alah.
Take him out! Gotcha!
Untuk combatnya sebenarnya agak
This is the anchor. But its core is not here.
Ya walaupun dengan ada pembaruan itu, tapi kombonya ya gitu-gitu aja. Tapi emang rata-rata semua gamenya,
All active anchors give off that light.
game
This
yang
anchor
kayak gitu,
plunged itself
kombonya
deep
juga kayak gitu doang
underground.
nih.
That's where its core should be.
Paling ya digabung-gabung
I've seen the
dengan
hub base building
karakter-karakter
plans.
lain gitu.
This old factory should have an underground floor that we could reach. If this basement area is stable, we should be able to reach and destroy the anchor core. Let's go, Endman. This should be the way.
Gue disuruh crafting lagi ya. Padahal gue nggak perlu-perlu amat.
Landsbreakers? What are they doing here?
Siapa? Oh, Landbreaker.
Look there, Endman. We must act now.
Why, tell us! Supervisor Pelican! The anchor! Take out the anchor!
Langsung hilang. Ini siapa? Si Andre tadi dia ketakutan, cok. What the Terus kalau takut ngapain? Lo datang ke sini. Oh, si Andre nggak bantuin kak ini. Dynamic casting charge ability. Hah? When dynamic casting charge ability can be interrupted with any operator limit skill. Oke.
Your end awaits.
Berarti kita nggak bisa ngasal ya pakai skill core ini.
Sterilize this area!
Yalah. Siapa nih? Wah.
Special Operator Chen.
Aku nah. Ini karena pakai katana sih, makanya gue kayak bagus.
Nicely done, Endman. And thank goodness you arrived on time, Chen.
Awesome, right?
Kita udah tahu namanya, kenapa masih tanda tanya? Namanya kan Chen.
I'll show
Simpel
you an even
doang.
deadlier killer move next time. A single swing will take anything out, guaranteed. Administrator, I'm Chen Chenyu. Or Chen for short. If you got a problem you need trimming, my blade is yours to command. Oh, Perlica also told me about you. Every time she mentions the Endman, she just goes on and on and on.
We should check on Mr. Andre.
Lu nggak kenapa-napa, kenapa sakit gitu, lu tolongin gitu.
Mr. Andre, are you alright?
The lab. The prototype. Enemies! Did you fight them off? You are... Endman! You're really back! I thought you'd be here 10 days later. You're not hurt, are you? And what's with the mask? Never mind that. Thank goodness you're back. Edmund, it's been 10 years. We finally did it. We cracked the project you left behind.
Ya, 10 tahun tidur ya.
Puccini and Popov can finally rest in peace. During their final moments, they lamented that they couldn't deliver this solution into your hands.
Endman, this is Mr. Andre, our resident Enfield technical expert at this site. He is also the chief engineer of the Automated Industry Complex.
Huh? What's with the formal intro, Supervisor Perlica? Wait, did Edmund really forget? This isn't fair. Why? Why does suffering always happen to... No.
We should set aside the details for later. Now, Mr. Andre, why did you risk your safety to rush to this place?
That's because I saw the anchor crashing into the old factory. So I rushed over here to check if the prototype was all right. Look, here it is.
Is this the contraption you were protecting? That looks really expensive. You must have spent quite a bit of time on it.
It would be unfair to say that this is my work. A friend of mine left this prototype to me. I'm very grateful that you came here and saved it. Now that the anchor has been taken out, there shouldn't be any more Angaloi around. We should quickly get our base back up and running.
Leave it to us. By the way, Director Chin requests your immediate return to the control tower.
Oh, so, what
Ya
was
kita
she
nggak bisa
like
pakai
when she
Mr.
asked
Andre ya,
about
karena
me?
kayaknya dia nggak bisa berantem
Was
ya.
she angry?
Karena dia teknisi.
Oh, dear. I'm finished.
This is an all-channel broadcast. I repeat, this is an all-channel broadcast. All Security Division combatants are to assemble at the base entrance ASAP. I repeat, assemble at the base entrance ASAP. Over.
I believe Director Chin needs help at her place.
Go and assemble. I'll be with you shortly once I'm done checking the machines.
Chen will keep Mr. Andre safe. Let's go and support Director Chin.
Ketahuan sama Chen ya, sedih. Tidak, my bini.
Were they here to loot our base amidst the chaos? But showing up right
Langsung
after the
lanjut aja.
Anchor fall? That's too much of a coincidence. Things could be more complex than we thought. Our original plan was to deploy the protocol automation core nearby and run some tests. But with the
Kayaknya
hub
kayak
base
kita balik
severely
lagi ke
damaged,
base-nya.
we need to get it up and running first. What's going on, Director Chin? Landbreakers. And so many of them.
This isn't the worst of it. Look over there.
That place. It's the deployment area we reserved for the automation core.
From the scale of the rising smoke columns, the deployment area has completely fallen. This area was completely surrounded by Angaloi, yet these bandits still got through. How did they manage to slip in without anyone noticing?
Those landbreakers we encountered were probably just their vanguard. Director Chin, is there anything we can use?
Security Division gathered as much intel as they could. I'll sync it with you.
Oke, ini apa lagi?
We have yet to recover from the anchor fall. Power's still out, and we've taken heavy casualties. The Angaloi destroyed many backup cables. Our systems are failing. The attacking landbreakers have been confirmed as the Bone Crushers. Their objective remains unclear at present. But their assault was too well timed to be accidental. If the current situation persists, we will not be able to successfully deploy the automation core. We can use the resonance tower to activate Originium for power, but its energy cost is steep. It won't last long.
We have another option available. If we can deploy the PAC, we can restore base operations.
You mean we power the resonance tower with the PAC?
Yes, we can use the AIC to set up a power transmission relay. Once the resonance tower is activated, the base will get some respite.
But there are so many land breakers along the way. If only we could weaken them.
Of course we can! Landbreakers?
Kenapa dia join aja?
You got a team of pros, Director Chin. Edmund, you saw what I did, right? I know tons about fighting these scummy LBs.
I'm afraid my creaky bones won't let me swing a weapon. But I can still offer plenty of help with the automation core.
But should we come up with a more foolproof plan? There are just so many LBs outside.
Have faith in us, Director Chin. I'm not just the supervisor of Enfield Industries. I'm also the acting lead of the Enfield Crisis Team.
I'm part of it too. Excited to work with you, Enmin. I'm sure there's a lot I can learn from you.
Yeay, bisa pakai Chen. Oke, di sini kita disuruh press ini atau hold alt buat munculin mouse. Ini operator join, press U or alt.
Enfield won't stop progressing.
Get ready.
Bisa nggak gua yang make Chen-nya?
Alrighty. Now let's go and teach those pipe faces what happens when
Coba ya,
you
abis ini gue coba ya. Bisa nggak kita make Chen-nya?
Administrator, I'd actually prefer it if you can just stay and rest here. Fighting the Landbreakers is very different from fighting the Angoloi. The conditions of your health. Much appreciated, Entman. So, we have a conclusion, Director Chin. The Crisis Team will whittle down enemy forces, deploy the PAC at the designated site, and transmit power back to base with relay towers to restore base operations. Mr. Andre, I'll contact you once the roads are clear. Apologies for forcing you to travel into the wildlands, but we will need your help.
No problem. I feel so much better knowing I can finally help everyone properly this time.
Stop puffing up your feathers, old man. Administrator, Supervisor Prolica, and Operator Chen, do be careful out there. Before I forget, the TP point is not part of the base's power system. If there's something more that we can handle, just head back to base and rest. We're counting on you. Endman, let's first activate the teleprotocol point. TP points will let the team move around faster, and...
Bisa rest juga. Bisa masukin barang juga ya.
Andre
Ntar
just
gue
updated
pengen
me
nyoba
about your condition.
satu hal dulu.
Please keep yourself.
Get ready. My blades are always ready, as they never rest.
Hehehe, bisa.
Safe out there.
Oke, jadi kayaknya gue bakalan selesain first impressionnya di sini ya, karena udah 1 jam Pak. Kayaknya cutscene-nya lumayan banyak di sini. Jadi intinya pendapat dari gue ya, Arcade Enfield ini lumayan fresh banget buat kalian yang udah pernah main beberapa game gacha ya, karena di sini kalian bisa fight secara berbarengan gitu dengan operator atau karakter yang lain. Untuk dari segi grafik emang oke banget, ini game bagus grafiknya dan juga cutscene-nya juga menarik. Gua di sini belum sempat menyentuh ke fitur gacanya. Jadi ya di sini kayaknya bakalan dijelasin di dalam review nanti gitu. Oke, sampai segitu aja. Semoga kalian mendapatkan informasi di first impression gue kali ini. Ditunggu nanti reviewnya. Pastinya nanti reviewnya bakal di handle sama Yasha ya. Oke, jadi sampai sini aja. Mungkin kedepannya gue bakalan bikin lagi beberapa first impression dari game-game yang akan keluar nantinya. Oke, segitu aja. See you in the next video guys. Bye-bye.